September 9th, 2020. We have a fire coming from all the way over there, all the way over there right now.